be unboxing Little Shuckies Pearl Party. There are beads, which I have cord to make a bracelet, and I also have scissors to cut. And there's also a plastic knife which you can use to shuck it, and then find the bead or pearl, and then bead it to your bracelet that you will be making. There are 24 pearls, 3 ultra rare, 9 rare, and 12 common. There's glitzy inside. On the back there are ultra rare, rare, and common 12 of them that shows all of them that you can get. I would like the unicorn horn, the diamond, and I would like the galaxy. So there's also slime in it. Let's see slime. So let's just open it. See how we can open it. So I might have to use my scissors to cut it carefully though. Like this. It looks like I figured out the way. There is like a shell in here, and I'm sure it's plastic because most things are made out of plastic. And then we can just open it as soon as we cut it. Let's cut. I'm just going to cut it like this so it will be easier to get it out. Okay, we're getting it out. And then we got the shell. Wow, it's so pretty. I'm so excited what pearl I'm going to get. And then there's some beads here. I'm going to get the knife out, the plastic knife. We need more cutting to do it. Let's cut. Let's see if there's an opening that we can just do it. Yeah. And then we're going to get the beads out of there soon. Okay, first you have to shuck it, which you have to do this with your knife. Wow, this is hard. Okay, we did it. Oh wow. And then we've got another clam, which will reveal our pearl. Oh my gosh! Could it be? Could it be? Let's see what we got. It's a snowball one. I thought it was the diamond, but I really love it. The color, it's still pretty good. There's cord inside. There's pink cord inside. Let's reveal the muscle of the clam, which is slime. OMG, it looks so pretty. Wow! This is the prettiest muscle I ever seen. But it's small, like really small. It's so soft. You could put it in here. I guess this will be its container. Or we could probably put it in the mini shell. We could probably. See. I've got to see. Oh, it doesn't fit. That's okay though. I have containers. It's like really cool. And we got a common one, but it's still pretty good. Now, let's make the bracelet. I'm going to use this cord instead, maybe. Well, actually, I would want to use the black cord. just for a reason, because we can't get it. Well, let's get the beads out first, because we want to do stuff with these beads. Oh, by the way, we're reviewing. So far it's got a 5, which is like real good. Like really good right now. Here are our beads. Let's open it. Okay, there's like lots of beads. Let's just open it carefully, and then the last bead, last but not least. And then we can get the cord. And then we're going to put it on. But first, let's just cut it. Exactly like this. Just cut it the cord. So first we are just going to put them one by one. With the beads. Wait, first let's count these so that we can put this large bead in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There is 20. So whenever we get by 10, we have to stop and put the bead in the middle. It's an even number. That is a good thing. Let's put it in. 1. The next one. Oh, you have to tie it at the end so that they won't fall out. The next one will be this one. Wait, I need to find a hole. There's the hole. 2. Oopsies. And then we can put this one on. 3. We can put it on the slime. I'm going to do the 4th bead, which will be this one. Okay, we just have to find the hole and put it the cord way. Okay, there we go. That looks better. 3. Wait, where's the... Okay, I think it was this one. I don't know. Let me know in the comments section below. Oops. Okay, it's getting difficult now. I don't know why. And... Wait, let's count. Yeah, this is 4. Like I knew what it says. And then number 5 will be this one, or it could be exactly like this. Wait. I'm going to cut it just so that it will be more better, so that it will so that we can actually put it on. 5, 6. Yeah, this is way easier. 7. And then the 8th one will be 8. Yay. 9. And then the 10. 10! Yay! Now we just have to put this big one on. This is like the biggest pearl. Well, I have actually bead I've ever seen. I've never seen a pearl before. Let me know in the comments if you have. I'm gonna have to cut it again because it's not. It's like getting like thick. The string is. This one will be next. I just need to find the hole, and then we'll put it through. One. Well, we don't have to count now. We just put them all on. We had to do this again. But, and then we just put it through again. Two, it's two. I'm gonna count. Because I know I don't have to. But I am. 3. And 4. 5 is next. 5. And then they keep on rolling away from me. 6 is almost up. Okay, we're gonna have to cut it again. Okay, they're rolling. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. This is 6. How could I forget so quickly? 6 is almost. Why? I don't like to cut them. It just makes it shorter. 6. 7 is almost here. 7. 8. Wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Yeah, that's 8. 9 and 10 are almost here. 9. Have to cut it just for one little bead. Just for one more. Let's get the last one. Yay, we're almost done. Yay, we're finally done. And now we can just take it out of the slime if we can. Oh man. Now it's stuck to the slime. Okay, there we go. It's slimy at the cord. The cord's like really slimy now. Wait, oh no, oh no. Just take it to the bottom, and then we can tie it now. Like this. Just double tie it, just in case. Okay, we made it. Finally, no, we haven't. Why does this have to take so long? We're just tying it like this. It's just gonna be the easy way to tie it. Almost done. Okay, we did it. Here is our bracelet. We can now put it in the clam. Or we could put this in the small clam. I don't know if it will fit. It fitted. And then we can just put them all in. It's a nice there. And put the slime in. Yay, we've completed it. It's the end of the video. Don't forget to tap on my circle. But first, the review would be 10 out of 10. It was so good. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like, and comment down below. Please tap on my circle. You'll see all my videos, and comment #summer whenever you are done. Bye.